Hello, I'm Roger Bisbee from Skill Builder, and I've been putting in bathrooms for many years and I've seen all kinds of floor coverings come and go. Probably my least favourite is sheet vinyl, but this is one that I've been doing quite a lot of lately, and this looks like a laminate floor, doesn't it? It looks like something that you wouldn't put in a bathroom, but actually it's called SPC and it's a solid core and it's very, very heavy. It's completely different to the cheaper luxury vinyl tiles. The wear layer is a lot better, it's a lot more durable and it's heavier. It doesn't need sticking down, it's a floating floor. All these floors are fairly similar in the way they're fitted. When you stagger a joint, make sure that the stagger is more than the width of the plank. So you wouldn't want a staggered joint there, for example. That isn't enough of an overlap. So if you take that distance there and you go around there, that would be your minimum that you would allow. So as you go along and you cut the end, you can take that end along to the next course and start the next course with it. But all these things are fairly standard floor laying things. I'll just show you something else which is really good about this, is that it's got a nice cushion back, which means that if you've got a floor that's not 100% perfect to subfloor, it's less likely to telegraph through, because sometimes if you've got, for instance, a tongue and groove chipboard floor and you've got the joints there, with the cheaper luxury vinyl tiles and things like that, you will get this, what they call telegraphing through, where you'll see the subfloor appearing on the floor. So with this, it's really good. It's got that little bit extra going for it. And as I say, it's harder wearing. Now, in bathrooms, it's absolutely fine. It's durable, waterproof to an extent, but you can understand that if you did flood the bathroom, you could get water seeping in and sitting underneath. So you need to be careful that you don't absolutely saturate it. But day-to-day dripping, somebody getting out of a shower and standing on the floor while they dry themselves, it's absolutely fine. So it comes in a variety of different colours. You can look at that if you follow the links on the screen, and it's Abacus SPC flooring.